Let's talk about Terra Luna. Understand
I'm not here to pump Terra Luna up. I'm here to state the simple facts
and help you from making a grave mistake. Now, let me bring up a chart real quick for everybody to look at. Boom, you can see bottom right, circulating supply, May 23rd, 6.5 trillion. Understand, 2.5 weeks ago on May 10th, the circulating supply was 345 million. So we all get upset when our government starts printing money, but understand in the 3 weeks, the supply has gone up 20,000%. Now, if you want me to simplify that in terms of what you're making on a yearly salary, let's just assume you make $100,000 this year. $100,000. At the end of the year, instead of me paying you $100,000, I'm giving you
$5.
That's what 20,000% looks like. 20,000%. That's what the valuation should go down by, because that's how much circulation increased by. So we all know the coin was $64, $65. And yes, it's 0.00018 now. Now, let me see if I can bring up the chart, and then we'll speak about specific facts and what Terra can do to actually increase its value if that potentially happens. So let me bring up the chart real quick. Okay, now as you can see, Terra Luna price is 0.000181. If you look at the 1 month chart, you can see the fall off from $80 to 0.49 all the way to 0.00105. So you can see now, how can you still make money on this? Well, easily. You can enter into a day trade. Understand they are risky, but if you look at the 1 hour chart, you're seeing it was 0.00184 all the way down to 176, which is a decline. So if you bought in, let's just say you bought in at 1.8, you could probably ride it up, I don't know, about 8% in 1 day. Again, understand the risk. I would look for a bottom number. In fact, this is still a little too high for me. If you look at the 1 week chart, you can see Terra was actually right below 0.000112, which would be a better entry for me. With that said, let's talk about what the analysts are saying about Terra, because analysts are coming in mixed and they're trying to confuse you and they're trying to pump this altcoin. So analysts seem to agree Luna has what it takes to make a comeback despite the major price drop. Most analysts using technical analysis believe that Luna could bounce back to $1 by 2022. And long term, they're saying $10 by 2030. So understand, if your lights, your red lights aren't going off, they should be, because I'm calling
bullshit. I'm calling bullshit on those analysts.
We already looked at the charts. I state some simple facts about Luna. So the extreme fear index is high. And then you look at somebody like Mike Novagarts from Galaxy Digital that says in a bear market, or if the bear market continues and we see the Fed raising rates and the bear market continues and the SPY pushes down to 360, that crypto could slide another 70%. He's the CEO of a major crypto company, Galaxy Digital. 70%. So back to Luna. Circulation went up 20,000%. In fact, people made it a game. They were actually burning Luna tokens. And the CEO, Daquan, said, hey, don't burn your tokens. They still have value. But if you were to burn them, here's the email address that you email your tokens to. So he said, that's like saying, see that bridge over there? Don't jump off that bridge. But if you were going to jump off that bridge, here's how I would do it.
I mean, WTF.
He has a real proposal. Now, Luna's second proposal, revival plan, fork the chain, to split the chain and create a new blockchain without the algorithmic stablecoin. And the old chain will be called Classic Luna. So you'd have Classic Luna and then a new chain called Terra Luna. So understand, if you ask me, that's a little confusing. And that's what people are saying. If Luna splits into a classic chain and a new chain, it would confuse both projects, especially for new traders or new investors who do not follow crypto on a daily basis. Now, another solution that could save Luna blockchain is the burning of most of the tokens. So it's just like saying, let's burn the money. Let's get rid of some of the money. Those that still have money, more valuable. It's like cutting the supply. You have a certain allotment of gold. If you remove half of the gold from the world, the value of gold would double. So yes, to make Luna go up, you'd have to remove, I don't know, 6.5 trillion tokens from the marketplace. Now, keep in mind, when trading this altcoin, the Luna Foundation Guard has already disclosed and already made public that most of its UST reserve has been depleted, and it plans to utilize the rest of the reserve to reimburse UST holders. So that's what they're using their money for. Now, understand, in my opinion, Luna is still tradable. but for scalps only. So if you think Luna is going to make you a millionaire because you're going to buy 20 trillion,
I mean, that's an exaggeration.
because you're going to buy 2 million Luna tokens, you're incorrect. If you want to become a millionaire, check out my 3% video. All you need is $100, and you need to know how to basically trade options.